Hi, my name is Abhishek Singh. Today we introduce our project VoteRakshak, a blockchain-based secure voting system. Our problem statement is from theme blockchain and cybersecurity. The main issue we identified is that current voting system face challenges like vote tampering, fake identities, delayed result, and lack of transparency. To solve all these problems, we make a VoteRakshak, a voting platform that ensures security, privacy, transparency, and accessibility. Now let me discuss about VoteRakshak. That is our project based on decentralized ledger. In our system, all votes are stored on a blockchain that will make a tamper proof and transparent. For making this project, we used a smart contract. For prevent fake and duplicate, we use a face recognized system. To maintain privacy and anonymity, we use zero knowledge proof. And now we are making for vote Rakshak to like president election in campus and CR, and our project is scale on MP's elections and then goes to national level. We are using a technologies in front end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and backend MetaMask, Flask APIs. For database, we are using MySQL, feasibility and viability. So our project is also generate a revenue. We make software as a service like Netflix and other apps. We give a institution for performing the voting and to take us on charge for it. Like our project voter check discuss about impact and benefit, it also impact environmental and give the benefit on social benefit, economic benefit, educational, institutional, and technology benefit. This will also impact on a public that they will give a vote with the home.
I am Saurabh Kumar Lodhi. Now I am showing how I deployed my decentralized voting system Vote Rakshak using blockchain. We will use Remix ID to deploy our smart contracts, connect them through MetaMask to a local Ganesh blockchain, and then integrate the contracts with the Flask Python backend using web3.py, which powers our front-end voting D app. Let's get started. First, I am opening the NAS. This will serve as our local Ethereum blockchain for testing. You can see it's running with multiple test accounts with each funded some fake ethers. Now I am opening Remix. Here are my smart contracts. I'll compile my smart contracts through compiler using Remix ID. My smart contracts are compiled. I click on deployed. MetaMask pops up asking for confirmation of deployment. I'll confirm the deployment. Our smart contract is deployed. I'll copy the address of smart contract. Now I have to connect with backend. Now our smart contract is connected to the backend. I start HTTP server. The server is started. I'll open the link. I connect to the MetaMask. MetaMask asking for confirmation of connection. I allow. Now I have to vote for a candidate. I vote to candidate 1. MetaMask pops up asking for confirmation of vote. I'll confirm and vote is added to the blockchain. Here is vote count is increased. Now I switch account to vote another candidate. I'll switch the account, connect the account. Now again I have to connect with this account to MetaMask. Now my account is connected. I have to vote to candidate 2. I voted to candidate 2. Now vote is added to the blockchain and vote count is increased. Now I try to vote from same account again. I click on vote to candidate 1, asking for confirmation, but this vote is going to fail because I already voted. So here you can see the vote is failed because I already voted. Thank you. This is the video of deployment of our project Vote Rakshak. Hope you like it.